And I'm Christina, and we did our project on Nike.
We wanted to start off with a quote that really represents Nike and their business. It starts off as, "We use sustainability as a lens to how we systematically address risk management, efficiencies, innovation, and future-looking efforts, all critical in positioning Nike for long-term growth. We believe transparency is a central component to a responsible business strategy and that reporting is critical for delivering transparency. After extensive research on Nike, we believe they see reporting as an important means of sharing information about its corporate responsibility strategy."
With that being said, their website consists of 43 facilities located in all different parts of the world. Consumers are able to click on each country, which shows statistics right at their hand. Nike is transparent in the report about their social and environmental responsibility practices, which are different from the traditional way. Nike has a code of ethics for all employees as well as a closed-loop business model. They have a new strategic evolution that they're transitioning to called Sustainable Business and Innovation. Although Nike is currently doing many great things with explaining their future efforts as well, we have suggestions that we would like to propose for the company to improve their sustainability efforts.
Nike goes beyond traditional ways of just monitoring alone when it comes to conditions for workers. Traditional monitoring simply audits symptoms instead of getting into the root of the cause. They decided to place less emphasis on monitoring and put more importance on resources to capacity building, establishing broad-based partnerships with a consolidated contracted manufacturing. This approach that Nike utilizes is called responsible competitiveness. In addition to audits, Nike dives deeper into a two-in-one audit and verification system called Management Audit Verifications, also known as MAV. MAV involves four main areas such as hours of work, wages and benefits, labor relations, and grievance systems. This system helps Nike understand and analyze problems in labor management and come up with plans to resolve these issues. Nike also performs factory assessments where each of their factories receive a letter grade based off of what is observed. If one of their factories were to receive a low grade, such as a C or D, Nike works with them to improve their performance and ratings through specific outlined steps. If the factory fails to make progress, Nike will reassess their business relationship.
Not only does Nike care about their factories and employees, but they also create many design models and strategies to make sure their innovative designs are as sustainable as possible to the company's high standards. One model includes the closed-loop model. This model moves closer to achieving zero waste by reusing, recycling, and composting all materials. Nike's vision of a closed-loop business model is basically them considering the end life of their product from the start of their design process. So they're designing their products to be easily reused and recycled. Nike also has a new model to sustainable business and innovation. Their mission for this model is to prosper in a sustainable economy where people, plant, and profit are all in balance. There are three elements of carrying out this model, which are innovation, integration, and mobilization. Nike's goal for innovation is to design products that are fully closed-looped. This means using fewest possible materials. The products are also being designed so that they are taken apart easily in order to be recycled into new products. The second part of this model is integration. This is a complete culture change. Nike wants to inspire its employees around the world to take part in building a more sustainable organization. For example, the buyer for Nike's products is creating a rating system for suppliers' sustainability performance. Nike considers these ratings when making buying decisions. The third part of the model is mobilization. Nike is in collaboration with the International Labor Organization's Better Work program to better conditions in their supply chain. Nike is building a platform that allows brands to share their sustainable innovations with each other worldwide. More advocacy is included in the mobilize element of this model. Nike is a founding member of Business for Innovative Climate and Energy Policy, which drives the clean energy economy and decreases global warming pollution. Nike also wants to engage their consumers. Nike knows how powerful and influential their brand is towards young people. Being aware of the impact they have on the youth, Nike started NikeGameChangers.com to encourage customers around the world to join them and embark upon tackling social and environmental issues. Nike knows that their consumers' engagement can make a huge difference when taking on these important issues.
They also have a material analyst tool, also known as MAT, where each material is given a numeric value as a sustainable score. They have listed materials they use in their products that are color-coded, making it easier for the consumer to see low-impact materials such as the green-colored ones and areas of improvement which are red-colored. Some of the materials Nike uses is organic cotton. They also use recycled polyester for more than 5 years actually because it has fewer environmental impacts than regular polyester. They also use environmentally preferred rubber, which is a formula that Nike has used and shared with others that can be used in their footwear. White leather is also a material used for footwear. However, Nike understands that this creates one of their largest waste streams. Nike is trying to figure out ways to use this material as efficiently as possible. Also, they have been trying to get rid of PVC from their products since 1990s. Nike has already put out a phase plan into action to get rid of this material in their screen printing.
So in conclusion, Nike has an impressive outlook on business sustainability and has already been a forerunner for socially and environmentally responsible companies. They continue to strive on innovation and continuously make action plans to change every aspect of their company from zero waste models to their SB&I strategies. Nike has improved a lot and will persistently do so, therefore we offer suggestions for their organization. Nike reports that their largest energy impact is on their materials. In Nike's running shoes, 59% of their energy is in the materials. Nike needs to reassess their materials being used and where they come from to reduce their energy impact. They can incorporate more organic materials or natural materials in replacement of PVC or white leathers. Since Nike does not have a plan enforced to completely remove white leather as one of their materials for footwear, they should create a way to use the waste left over for other products. Overall, with these minor considerations put into place, Nike leads the way as a great example for other businesses to keep doing the right thing.
Thank you for watching our presentation.
Thank you.